Ulit, maraming salamat po for joining us and being here today to our friends of the press and the media. Without your guys' presence and your work, it would be a big help for all of us. So maraming salamat po for the good questions. And ako naman po, again, I just want to thank my management, Cornerstone Entertainment, Sparkle, and of course, GMA for giving us this opportunity, and to ABS for Pinoy Big Brother. Direct Lauren has been taking good care of us, even though as a Sparkle artist, na ramdaman namin yung acceptance nila. So maraming salamat po for that. I'm very excited because I've been out of the acting picture for a while after PBB. So I'm just very excited to step on set na umarte ulit kasi after my experience in Pinoy Big Brother, parang na-refuel na ako, and gusto ko na lang po sabihin, let's keep it a mystery muna, bangan na lang natin kung anong serye ang paglalabasan ko. But of course, I want to say that I will be a part of a film, and I'm very excited because it's gonna be my first ever if matuloy yun. So I'm excited for that, and more projects with my fellow housemates. It's something I'm looking forward to, and of course, the power of collaboration. You guys should look forward to that kasi marami pang aabangan. Bukod pa sa concert natin, guys! Ang PBB Co-Love. That's why I'm very excited for that. That's something I'm proud of kasi kasama kong family ko doon, ang Pinoy Big Brother housemates. Kaya, ayun po, maraming salamat and thank you.